Good morning everyone, welcome to Hank Global channel again. My name is Johnson Light, I'm the Overseas Sales Director of Hank Global Group. Today is a very important milestone for Hank Global. We're going to show you the brand new LabStar 330S Hybrid. With this machine, we are going to show you all the functionality which we have besides inkjet to make a full production line. And we're going to show you step by step on how we're going to do it. So first of all, let us describe the feature of the unwind system. This unwind system is again a brand new design which is a lot more compact. You have a lot more shorter web path. To start with, we have the splicing cable right over here. Then we have the Corona treater as usual. And then there will be a web guide, a double-sided contact cleaner, and tension control. Everything is mounted onto here. With the unwind unit, what we can have is, as usual, we'll have an up and down pneumatic motion, so you do not have to ever hurt your back as well. And then over here, we'll also have a rolling cable as well, so the material is going to roll down. So the second feature we have is a flexo unit module. This is a very important module for us to do combination printing. With the combination printing of this is a twin servo system. This system can print from 64 teeth to 200 teeth with the combine of Pro foil technology on it. With this feature, we have also a quick change system. And then we're going to show you how to do a quick change. We unlock the system. You have the pulling device, pull the whole end tray out, and then you'll be able to take the analogs out straight away, just like this. So after you take the analogs out, you will be able to take the ink tray out of the press. So over here we have another clean ink tray. So what we do is just mount onto here, and then after that we just need to put the analogs back in. That's it. So another very important feature is when we do flexo printing, a lot of ink is wasted due to too much ink on the ink tray. This is a special design for us. We will be able to print on just 100 grams of ink. So I prepared a little bit of ink. This is around 100 grams, and I'm going to show you how it works. So we put the inks on here, just like so. Turn the system down. So once the ink is rolling onto the analogs, we'll be able to prepare for the printing plates. So this is an 80 teeth printing plates. You can see the notch over here. This is for pre-registration sensor. So in the future, you can also combine more flexo units, and with the pre-registration, you can do registration a lot quicker. Just very easy. That's it. So over here, down the bottom of the press, we have the UV system and the chilling roller. So at the moment, we have a conventional UV system at the moment, but if the customer would like, we can also put an LED cooling system in the future for you to save a lot more power, and the heat release will not be as big. And with the chilling roller system, you can do a lot more applications with even heat-sensitive materials or even monofilms. So I've explained to you a little bit of the feature of the flexo already. Now with the application part of the press, what we can do with this flexo unit is we can combine a big solid color, special color, or full folding. And this is one of the very special features we have as well. Today's performance test, what we can do is we can do a solid white, register to inkjet, and we are going to also do a cold foiling. And on top of that, with the cold foil, we are going to perform a foil on print. So we're going to print the foil first, and then we're going to use inkjet technology to print on top of the foil to make a metallic color out. So I've explained a little bit about our flexo unit on the first unit already, but what you can do is you can also customize your application so you can put multiple flexo units at the front of inkjet or at the back of the inkjet for more application. Now let me show you our printing engine again. So I've explained to you a little bit about the Flexo unit on itself already. Now this is the printing power. If you subscribe our hand robot channel, you will see a lot more details with our previous videos. Now, because we have the support of the Flexo unit, as we said, we want to do a combination printing. For the customers who do not have white jobs every day, what we can do is we can minimize the investment on the printing power to have the CMYK 4 colors only. Now at the moment, the machine is set up to CMYK 4 colors 600 dpi, and this is more than enough for everyday use of the machine, because the 600 dpi is as good as HD Flexo already. With the technology we have with hand robot, our CMYK ink segments can get up to 95% of the 20-tone color gamut already. But if the customer insists, what we can do as an option is we can also put a white module and then CMYK on the printing power itself. Now let me remind you a little bit from our previous video with our single white technology. With only single white, we can achieve the opacity of 75% already. So we don't need to have double white to put on the system, also to minimize the investment of your machine. With this semi-rotary die cut we have, the magnetic cylinder is at 160 teeth, and we can do a minimum repeat of 100 millimeters. As you can see, this is the magnetic cylinder itself, and this is the flexible die. So it's also very easy, and it's also very economic for you to order just the flexible die itself, and then we have a quick mount system to mount it on to the magnetic cylinder. So it's also another 5-minute jobs for quick change. And combining that, we have also the pressure gauge over here as well. And after that is going to be the rewind unit. So after the die cut, of course, we need to extract the matrix from the print itself. So over here we have the very nice matrix removal system with the rubber rollers and with the pneumatic tension on the matrix removal system. You are going to have a very nice tension of extraction on the matrix. And after that, we will have the rewind system. And on the rewind system, this machine we have already attached the rail system already onto here. So again, you don't have to ever handle that again. Okay, so the first performance test, we're going to use paper substrate to print with Flexo on cold foil. After that, we're going to use inkjet as process color printing on top of the foil. And then right after, we're going to do a lamination, semi-rotary die cut, matrix removal, and rewind. So let's get started. So the second performance test, what we're going to do is we're going to print a clear-on-clear material. But first, we're going to use the Flexo to print a solid white, and then CMYK, and then afterwards, we are going to do a semi-rotary die cut again, matrix, and rewind. So let's get started. So with this excellent press today, we've been showing you different types of application on doing solid white together with the combination of Flexo and die cut. And also we've done clear-on-clear material together with cold foil and foil on print. This is the application we can show you at this moment. If you have any requests, please contact us and we'll be able to show you more. Please tune into our hand robot training. Thank you.